cos x in the interval 0 to 2 pi strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. F dash x. F dash x is equal to cos x minus sin x. So f dash x is equal to 0 when cos x is equal to sin x. This is possible at x equal to pi by 4 because both are positive. And again, third quadrant, both are negative. So cos is also negative, sin is also negative. So another value is pi plus pi by 4, which is equal to pi by 4. There are 2 points, there's a variation is there. Now, f dash x is greater than 0 whenever cos x is greater than sin x. Means cos x minus sin x is greater than 0. Cos x is greater than sin x will be in the interval 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4, cos x is always greater than sin x. If we talk about the first quadrant. Similarly, when it will be positive again, when cos is negative in second quadrant, sin is positive in second quadrant. Similarly, both are negative in third quadrant. Again, cos is positive in first quadrant and it is second quadrant. So what happens again? 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi, it is again cos x is greater than sin x. Now let us see the graph to get more analysis. If we see here 0, this is the point where both are equal to 0 means pi by 4. Okay, so 0 to pi by 4 it is increasing. From pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 it will be decreasing. This is 5 pi by 4. And from pi by 4 to 2 pi it is again increasing. So clearly 0 to pi by 4 it is increasing. Pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 it is decreasing. 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi it is increasing. Let us write in a proper way. 0 to pi by 4 union 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi it is increasing. Similarly, from pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 it is decreasing. So f dash x is positive from 0 to pi by 4 and from 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi. F dash x is negative from pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. I'll repeat. So f dash x equal to cos x minus sin x. F dash x is greater than 0 between 0 to pi by 4 and again it is positive from 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi. F dash x is less than 0 in the interval pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. I'll write clearly. Pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 it is decreasing, and 0 to pi by 4 union 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi it is increasing.